This is a saw blade change for the Makita 1219. First of all, locate the Allen key here. Allen key. We now loosen off this nut here. Loosen it, turning it anti-clockwise. No need to undo it completely, just loosen it. Like this. Take some Allen duct tape just up here. This is just to hold the guard out of the way. We now take the Allen key and we need to undo this here. At the same time, we need to hold the blade stop pin on this side, right here, press it in to stop the saw blade from turning. Now, to undo this, we need to turn it clockwise. And there we are, clockwise. And there we are. Remove that bolt, remove that, and remove this piece here. Old saw blade out the way. New saw blade. And now turning anti-clockwise to tighten up. Don't forget to hold the blade stop pin on this side, stop it turning, there it's locked, tighten, tighten, that's that. Remove the duct tape, holding the guard out the way, and tighten up, same Allen key, this time tightening the normal clockwise, and we are done. Allen key goes back in its position and all finished. That's it, done.